How to create drop-down menu with Base44. Step 1. Log in into your Base44 account. Go to your dashboard and open the form you want to edit. Or click the plus new form if you are starting fresh. Step 2. In the form builder, look for drop-down in the field options. Drag and drop it where you want it on the form. Click the field to begin editing its label and options. Step 3. Rename the label. Under Options, type in each drop-down item. Hit Enter after each one. You can also reorder options, delete, or set default choice. Step 4. Toggle required if you want to make drop-down mandatory. And placeholder like please select for clarity. You can also duplicate the field if you need similar drop-downs. Step 5. Click Preview to test how the drop-down looks. Once everything is set, hit Publish. Share the form using the link or embed into your site. And that's it.